We run a MacBook program and there's always a lot of broken screens, student closing the screen onto pens, pencils, that sort of stuff. So we have an on-site Apple technician who will come in and repair the devices, and we normally keep our devices in our offices and then hand it out that way. There are times when we're going to be out of the office and not available for students to come pick up devices, so a student would come up and use the machine to be able to log their repair, say this is the issue that they're having. They can take a loan and use that while their MacBook is getting repaired or whatever device, and then they would bring it back and collect their device once it's been repaired and then return the loan to the same tower. And so it just makes our job overall easier.